Oh yeah, boy. Oh, got you.
Daisy. What Daisy can you? 22.25.
Oh, cheaper than Comanche. Cool.
Yes.
Thank God. Spent 25. I mean, it's not a big difference, but save a little money.
Every little bit, right?
Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Today is July 5th. Current time is 8:51 a.m. I am at Lake Pardee today. I'm pretty sure I've been to this lake before in the past, but I just can't remember. It's probably been a couple years. I remember this place though. I swear. I think my uncle took me on the kayak. I had a different kayak back then, but yeah. Well, today, you know, like always, I'm gonna be going for bass. Hopefully, I can get on them. I think I'm slowly learning on how to catch these, like just bass in general. The main thing is you want to cover like as much water as you can in the day, and then when you do find the bass, you want to hit them hard with basically all your lures until you figure out what the big bass want. You know, the goal is at the end of the day for me is to catch the biggest bass as I can, and also I want to catch numbers too. But I want to try to make my PB this year. I think my PB is like 4.93, just about 5 pounds. I call it 5 pounds, but it's not just at 5 pounds. It's my profile picture for YouTube. Yeah, guys, let's very close to 500 subscribers. Subscribe. I'm trying to hit that goal. Once I hit that goal, guys, I got a surprise for all you guys. It's gonna be a game changer. Hopefully, a game changer for my channel and the growth. But stay tuned. I'm gonna catch some fish today. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. That was easy. Wasn't too bad. Try throwing a couple casts, and then I'll just keep covering water. Trying new baits. That's what I gotta work on too. Trying more baits. I can't just stick to one bait. So, yeah, learning. All right. Well, let's try it. Be right here, guys. Oh my God. I just had a chaser, guys. I was rolling in my my Ned rig, and somehow I fucking oh my God, he's fucking chasing my Ned rig in like a fucking crackhead. At this point, all right, let's try shallower right now. Just gonna fan cast, see if I can find where they're at. To the Ned rig. Alright, keep covering water. Yeah, I'm gonna try all that over there, and then I'll make my way that way. You know what? Forget all that. I feel like that gets fished pretty hard, that whole area. So I'm gonna just try fishing away from that area, avoid that. Probably gonna hit once I hit this island, I think, and I'm gonna hit all of that. Just keep going down and covering more water. That's the plan. If I could just figure out what they want. I mean, I've seen videos. I think a guy was catching them on a swim jig, like a Kitech 4-inch. He said Kitech or something, 3.8 or something. Well, I feel like the Ned rig for me is like a confidence bait, and if the Ned rig don't work, I don't know, man. I just can't keep it glued into my hand though, because you know it might not produce. So even if it doesn't, I have some other bait to go to. All right, let's see if there's any fish on this point. Oh, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but this is a point, right, where it like ends water. I searched it up. I forgot exactly what a point is, but I would assume this is point because there's water behind this, and this is like the edge, I guess you could say, of the water. All right. really shallow right here. Oh, what the hell? I have one. Oh my god, where's my net at? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I keep forgetting my net, guys? God damn it. Oh my god. Don't pop off. Ah, got him. Let's go. Guys, I forgot my net again, man. I keep doing that shit. Let's go. Got him on the fucking point. 15 and a quarter. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. On a point. On the point. Alright, guys. I caught that fish somewhere around 7 foot earlier. Water temp was 64 degrees. Current time. Around the current time. 10:16 a.m. Let's fucking go. Stay tuned, boys. I'm gonna fucking catch more. Let's fucking get it. We just gotta keep trying. Or give this spot like 20 more minutes since I actually caught a fish right here. Yep, alright, well, I guess I can only pick up that one fish right here. That bird's hiding right there, so I'm gonna go where that bird's at and see if I can catch one. I'm gonna throw, I mean, that's another point I could fish, I guess. So I guess I'll go check out that point and see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well I was gonna try top water, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys, if I guess, what's this called, buzzbait still works without the skirt. I think the skirt came off in my car. I mean, I guess I can try it, right? Doesn't hurt. Yeah, I don't know where these fish are at, man. They keep blowing up near the top, and I'm like, what the hell? I'm just gonna try blind casting a crankbait. See if I can see where they're at, I guess. Alright, time to move. I'm probably gonna try to go, I'm gonna make a long move. I'm gonna go down there. Over there looks pretty good. So yeah, stay tuned. That'd be kind of weird if I caught one right here. Open water. I think the only time I did that before was when I caught that A-rig fish at Folsom Lake. Alright, now we just cover water, boys. Cover water. I'll be honest, none of this looks good to me until I get to that deeper wall. Oh, I thought I had one for a second. Oh crap. Oh shit. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Let's go. I found them. Caught that fish somewhere around 9.7 feet. Current water temp is 67 degrees. Current time is 11:21 a.m. Yes, sir. Lake Pardee. It's producing. All right, time to measure in. 13 and a quarter. So he's a keeper. Let's get it. All right, guess I gotta fish this area. Definitely fish here. Let's go, boys. Stay tuned, we'll catch more. All right, if I catch one more on the Ned rig, I'm gonna try the drop shot, and then I'm gonna start trying other stuff. Man, I really wish I had my net though. I mean, I haven't lost a fish yet, but still, I still rather use my net to land these fish. They could be stacked somewhere around here, right before these weeds. I just don't know where the weeds end. Oh yeah. Right when I cast it too. Oh yeah. Let's go. Right when I casted. Oh yeah. Right when I casted, boys. Hungry bass. Man, I wish I really had my net though, guys. He flicked my worm. Oh no. He's not done. Calm down, calm down. Alright, I got you. Come on. It's on. Okay, no. Gotcha. Ah, let's go. Yes, sir. Damn, boy. Yeah, these bass are hungry. These guys are shallower too. Caught that fish in like 5 foot of water. Current water temp is 68 degrees and current time is 11:33 a.m. That's crazy. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper. I'm measuring, but yeah. Man, Lake Pardee, man. These bass are hungry. Yes, sir. 14 and a half. Yep, 14 and a half inches. Let's go. Right when I dropped it too, he came up and ate it. I don't know if the scent helps too much, but you know, why not, right? If it helps a little bit, you know, better than nothing, right? So I think they're just spread out and looking for something to eat, you know? There's some like little bugs or something, man. For me. Alright guys, I'm gonna call a halftime right now. I'm getting kind of hungry. That was good, guys. I needed that. Now I'm a little more re-energized to kick some fish's booty. Just cover water, guys. That's just what you want to do. Just keep covering water non-stop. No cap. Just cover water. Bro, y'all better. No way, there's a bass right there under that tree. Damn, he went crazy. Finally, got him. Full flip. Oh, let's go. Let's go, man. God damn. Woo. God, it took me a while to get this guy. Ugh. Haven't caught a smallmouth in a long time. Let's go, baby. Smallmouth. You can tell by his mouth, and I think he's more brown than the largemouth and spotted bass I normally be catching. Yep, I'm gonna release this guy. Oh damn. Okay, he is, I think, about 10 and a half inches. He's moving too much. I'm releasing. But yeah. Well played, Mr. Smallmouth. Alright, you go get bigger. Alright, later, dude. Let's go, boys. Caught a smallmouth. 10 and a half inches. Alright, well, stay tuned. I'm gonna look for more bass under the trees. See if I can catch him. Man, that took a little longer than I expected to, but whatever. Let's get it, boys. Stay tuned, stay tuned. If I could find one bass under a tree, there's definitely more. I guess in certain areas. Oh my god. I knew I saw a bass under those trees. Oh my god. Calm down, calm down. Wish I had my net, man. I don't know where the big ones are at, but got him. This guy's it might be a keeper, guys. Look at another smallmouth. Yeah, he is 12 and a quarter. Woo! 12 and a quarter. Let's go, boys. I dropped it right in the tree crack, and then boom, he smacked it. All right, guys, current time is 1:56. I think I caught that fish around, it's 1:56, so yeah, I guess 1:56. And yeah, the bass was just like right under the tree chilling, so I'd say somewhere around 1 to 5 feet where I caught that smallmouth, or both smallmouth. Yeah, they like those trees though for some reason. Once this wake passes, guys, yeah, I gotta deal with this. Oh shit. Let's go, boys. New PB smallmouth. All right, I'm gonna take a picture of him, and then I'd say 15 and a half inches. He's a little under. All right, guys. PB smallmouth, 15 and a half inches. Let's get a weigh on him. 1.22 pounds. Man, guys, this is good day, good day. Can limit it out. I think I caught 6 bass total. I want to try to shoot for 10, but you know, I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if I can get one on this point somewhere. Alright guys, I think I might be able to catch that bass. Oh my god, no! I had him on my fucking hook, man. Fuck. I can't see the fish. Yes. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, got you. Oh yeah. Oh my god. You guys do not understand, man. Me and this fish had a battle. Oh! Calm down, calm down. Ah! Got you. God damn it. I'm probably gonna release the small what is it called? The smallmouth. Oh, might be the biggest one today. And like all these fish are like super shallow, which is super weird to me. But yeah, nice little, I'd say a largemouth bass. Yep, I think he ate a crawdad or something. Yeah, he's 14 and a half, guys. Let's go. Not my biggest one today. All right, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Yeah, thanks for the fight earlier. But yeah, you get to live to see another day. Yep. See you later. Freedom. Well, I'm keeping this big boy now. But yeah, let's go. One last look. Yes, sir. Man, guys, that fish took a lot of patience. Like he was easy to catch. It's just, well, no, I wouldn't say he's easy to catch, because that's definitely not true. Man, sight fishing, man. You bug them for long enough, you'll catch him. A big bass. Caught that fish at 3:59. So I beat that time set, or the thing I set earlier, which was I wanted to catch that fish before 4, and I did that. What the fuck, is this a rock? Ain't no way this is part of the fucking mountain. I just pulled up a piece of rock. What the hell? Alright, yo, I'm gonna call it. I'll see you guys back at the boat ramp. Alright, y'all, quick recap of the day. Current time is 5:37, and yeah, I'm ending off the day. I think I fished for about, started I think at 8, we'll just say 9, so 9 to 5, about 8 hours. And yeah, launched right here. Then I tried this cove out. This whole cove, nothing. Bass are blowing up every once in a while. Couldn't get a single bite over here, but I did get a follower, so kind of knew the bass were chasing bait, which I couldn't really get the reaction strike on, like on the spinner bait or crankbait. Then I made my way down over here. I'll pop the places where I caught the fish on the screen, but yeah, I kind of avoided the boat dock area. I was gonna go down this way at first, but I decided to go all the way down that way and hit the island. Actually, the island's right there. I hit that, nothing right there, and made my way, went to the left of the island and hit a point. I caught I think my first fish on the point. I think that was a 15-incher, and after that I think I kept going down to the left, and couldn't get anything else to bite on this side of the lake. Or this is like I guess a boat launch area, marina, I guess. And yeah, then I crossed over, fished all of that, and I think from like right there to like right there, the bass were jumping for like a good hour straight and chasing bait. And somehow I picked up some fish over there on the Ned rig, and I couldn't get anything else to bite. I tried that one, the crankbait and the spinnerbait, but yeah, after that spot though, kept going down this part of the, I guess, marina, and I started you know, everything looked the same, so I just kept covering water looking for the fish, and saw this tree stump. It looked good, nothing was there. Kept going down, and then I checked out these the shaded trees that are along this side. I'll pop up on the screen, and I just said fuck it, let's cast in there, and picked up a couple. Picked up actually a pattern, and yeah, they were just right in the shaded trees, like in like probably a a foot to like 5 foot of water, like in the shaded trees. I'll show you, you'll see in the video, but yeah, in the shaded trees. And after I hit all of this, at the very end of the point, there's nothing. And then I went to the left of the, I guess, the lake, and I didn't get anything for a while. And I saw yeah, I didn't see anything for a while. And then I guess I decided to do some sight fishing, because I did see a couple bass like near the bank and near rocks. I don't think they were spawning. Maybe they were protecting the fry. I didn't see any fry, so maybe you guys let me know in the comments what the bass were doing, because they definitely weren't spawning. It was just one bass, and I saw a couple of them doing that, but I was only able to catch one of the bass on I guess a supposedly bed. And I think that was pretty much all that happened today. I think I caught most of my fish on this stretch of the lake, I guess. And yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Lake Pardee is actually an okay lake. I don't think I'm gonna come back here though for a while, you know, because I don't want to keep paying $22 for the same place. So I think the next place you guys will see me at will probably be New Hagen, I think. Our New Hogan Lake, something. I might go for Sharpers over there, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget, you guys don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.